Alright, tubers, what I've done so far is I've driven some ground posts in the ground. You see, these are the posts that came from the greenhouse that collapsed, and I'm using those because I wanted to raise the sidewalls on these up. Right there is where it was attached to the ground at the old place, so I'm giving it about an extra 3.5 feet or so of sidewall all the way down both sides. So it's going to have about a 4 foot, let's see, sidewalls will be somewhere in the 4.5 foot range all the way down, and I'm going to have roll-up curtains on those. But what I've done is I drove the post down in there and I've cut pieces of that 1.5 inch PVC, or not PVC, 1.5 inch steel pipe that was purling at the other thing on the other greenhouse, and I'm using that for my side post. And then I use the brackets, just bolt the bracket into there and bolt the arch through like so. Well, I thought I was videoing this going up, but obviously not. But there you go. All the arches are up. I got purlins next, and then the sideboards, and then the end walls. All right, this is where number 3 is going to go. Got it all mapped out. Square. Doing this in a little different. I'm using 4x4 posts in each spot, but you can see I've mapped it out with white paint for everywhere I got to drill all the way down. That one's ready for plastic. Alright, I got it all leveled out inside there now, and the inside is higher than the outside, which is good. It should allow me to keep the water, when it does rain really hard, from washing out the greenhouse. Being raised beds in there anyway, so it's gonna, everything will be about 6 inches higher than that where it's growing, but I don't want my walkways to be wet either. So I had a load of dirt brought in. This is just garbage clay. No nutritional value really whatsoever, but I don't need it because I'm using my compost and horse manure mix that I use and everything else. So we're going to put the end walls up next and start pulling plastic, and we're going to start on that one shortly. I'm going to continue to build the sidewalls anyway. May end up doing that today because it's starting to rain a little bit, and I'm not going to play in the mud. I play in the dirt.
Okay, so Chuck had called me. Well, I called him on my way home from work and asked him, okay, I'm on my way home. Do you need anything? Do you need me to stop by anywhere? He's like, hey, can you stop by and get some fire ant hill fire ant poison rather and stuff. So I did, and everything, but I just wanted to show you guys this huge fire ant hill that we have. Never seen one quite this big. So hold on a moment and I'll show it to you. Okay, so have y'all ever seen a fire ant hill this big? Maybe you guys have, but that thing is huge. I mean, I'm up on it kind of close and stuff, but I mean, look how big that sucker is. But all I know is I got some poison and you guys are going down. Yep, you're going down. So eat your last meal or whatever you got to do, because come 24 hours from now, I think you'll all be dead. At least that's what the bag says. So we'll see.
Okay. This is either crazy or genius. We'll see. This is how you put a very heavy 42-inch lamp fan up high in a greenhouse by yourself, or not. That's cool. I don't care who you are.
Whoops. Oh yeah. So Chuck got the fan up there yesterday, and I think he took a video of that, and yeah, he almost got in trouble. So I don't know what he's doing now. Here's our dirt. We had to bring in some dirt to get it level. But here's a greenhouse, and here's what he's got done so far. So he's got the back fans, or whatever you call those things. He's got those in back there and ready for the end walls to be done. He's working on the second greenhouse, getting that going on. But oh, I don't know what he's fixing to do, but I'm gonna, tractor's going, so I'm gonna kind of step back. Oh, this is how he got the fan up there yesterday. So I don't know what he's doing today with it. What are you doing with that?
That's just gonna keep it from falling on.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, what he said, I don't know if y'all heard that, but he's got that hooked up so it keep it from falling on us. So, yay, that's good. Alrighty, well, I will check back with you guys and show you the finished product. See you later. Okay, y'all, I'm ready for this. I got my pretty pink hammer. Yep, y'all see that? Got my knee pads. Got some for Chucky boy. Anyway, I think I'm ready to do this, and it's kind of sunny out here today too, so maybe I'll get some sun, and because I am kind of looking a little bit on the pasty side. So anywho, I'm ready. I'm ready, Freddy, I think. That's me about a little ways into this, I don't know. Alright, we'll keep you posted. We got the ground covering down just about. We're finishing up the last bit of stuff. That's Daniel, our youngest. He was helping, and So what we did is we put all those little things down in there. If you can see, but those are holding them down. And then Chuck is doing it with the nail gun. He's doing it, nailing it to the wood on the outside. So anyway, Chucky boys put me to work today. That's all I'm saying. Let's go down here and see if Chuck has anything he wants to say. Now at one time, there's probably a few things he wanted to say when the wind was kicking up and we were trying to hold the plastic down. But he was a good boy. Chuck,
Yeah.
do you have anything you want to say?
I want this over. And then we gotta do that one.
Nobody said it would be easy, huh? Yep. Yeah, and then what he's talking about is this one over here. The next greenhouse.
Anything worth having.
Oh, like me?
Yeah, like you. Like working for.
Okay. Well, this will be a big thing that we can check off our list, though, right?
Yeah. Plastic. Next.
Yeah, plastic will come here in a few days. We'll get the plastic. And he'll probably work on that because I'll be at work all weekend. At the airport. Anyway, alrighty. Just thought I'd show you what was going on.
Alright, tubers. First row for tomatoes is ready, and the way I did this is after we put the ground cover down, I built a frame of 2x6 treated lumber. I sistered them together every 8 to 10 to 12 feet, depending on how long each board was. I had a bunch of barn wood. I used that. Reclaimed stuff. Got more over there. I'm gonna have to buy more though, because I'm gonna have 4 or 5 of these beds in here. But anyway, these are 24 inches apart. All the way down, there's 24 foot of growing space in between. 24 inches of growing space in between, about 90 feet long. And anyway, I took the ground cover, cut it down the middle, wrapped it over each side, so that it's kind of protecting the wood and gives a nice, neat look all the way down. And that way the soil that I'm gonna bring in, if it goes anywhere, it'll go underneath the here and not out. If I had it along the bottom, it's not perfectly even, so dirt would have come out. So this kind of keeps it all in there. It's coming along.
Are you gonna help Papa dig a hole?
No! But Papa's gonna help me. I'm gonna help Papa